In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase Wix Store sales with upsells and cross-sells. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Wix account. From there, open your website dashboard so you can access your store settings and product catalog. On the left side menu, click Catalog. This will take you to the area where your store inventory and product details are managed. Next, select Store Products and then click Products to open the full list of items currently available in your Wix store. Now find the product you want to optimize for upsells and cross-sells. Once you locate it, click the More Actions button, shown as 3 dots next to the product. From the menu that appears, select Edit Product. Inside the product editor, update the product information in a way that encourages customers to buy related or complementary items. You can improve the product description so it highlights how the item works with other products in your store. You can also update the images to better showcase the product and make it easier for shoppers to understand its value. Review the pricing as well. In some cases, pricing can help position a product as a strong companion item or as a premium upgrade. You can also adjust categories so related items are grouped more effectively throughout your store. If your store uses ribbons or brand labels, update those where needed to help products stand out and support your merchandising strategy. After making your changes, click Save. If you want to feature additional products together, repeat the same process for each item. This helps create stronger connections between products and gives customers more reasons to add extra items to their cart. Once you have updated the products you want to optimize, return to your storefront and review your product pages. Check that the descriptions, images, pricing, and other merchandising details are displaying correctly. This step is important because it lets you confirm that your upsell and cross-sell strategy looks clean and consistent from the customer perspective. If your latest changes are not yet live, click Publish to make them visible on your site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.